Welcome back once again to howtocookwreckfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, going to make a really simple fried rice, tuna and broccoli. Got a couple of other bits in there. You can really play around with the herbs and spices that you want. I've just used a little bit of chili. Very, very easy. Great for a kind of midweek kind of snack. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we've got here. So, basmati rice cooked. Always use a nice cold rice when you're making fried rice because, yeah, it doesn't work out so well if it's hot or warm. So cold rice. Then I've got some corn. This is from a can. You could use from frozen if you wanted. Tuna, can of tuna, couple of eggs, bit of broccoli, onion, and some garlic. I'm going to start this off with a touch of oil, bit of salt, bit of pepper. That's about it. Really simple. Okay, so I've got a pan or a wok here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Gonna just drop that garlic in, chopped garlic, and then our onion. Two minutes, fairly lively heat, keep it moving. Okay, very easy now. Get your broccoli in. Now, I'm using broccoli and corn. You could be using anything you want. There's some peppers, mushrooms, zucchini. Go where you like with it. Just get that corn in now. 2 more minutes. Keep it moving. And get a little bit of salt in there. Some black pepper. Now, I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to put a few chili flakes in, or chili powder if you wanted. Completely optional. And I'm cooking this so that the broccoli has a nice crunch on it. If you want your broccoli softer, then you need to go for another couple of minutes here. Okay, let's now get in that tuna. Then we're going for the rice, cold cooked rice. Staying on this lively heat. Let's go for about 4 minutes now. Keep it moving. Okay, so as you can see, I've made a bit of space here. I'm going to drop just a little bit of oil in there and those 2 eggs. And we're just going to cook these here until you want them as you like. Some people like them soft. I like mine kind of fairly well done. Be back in a moment. Okay, that's about right for me, so we can fold that in now. Go for another 2 minutes, and it's very simple. Rice is ready. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Super, super easy. Play around with the spices and the vegetables if you want. Like I say, I've just used broccoli, corn, and tuna. Very, very simple. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?